Hey, welcome to episode 75 of Credit 101, where we're going to talk about reducing your long-term debts. So if you guys have long-term debts and you can't pay them, we're going to get into these in a little bit, but I want you guys to know that you have to reduce them or just get rid of them altogether. Like one of my biggest things was my car note. I hated my car note. So my thing was I just hurried up and paid it off. I thought about selling it. I thought about possibly just trading in for something else. But then I just thought about it. I was like, you know what? I'll just keep the debt. But that was my way of getting rid of it. Like that's debt that's gone now. I still have my car. I don't have the debt anymore. I did not have to continue to pay on that debt. Now, you guys may have all types of debt. So make sure you guys list your different debts. You guys may have a mortgage. You guys may also have a car payment. Maybe you guys have like a lease payment on a vehicle. Maybe you guys may have just student loans or any collateral in general. Please list them all out. And if you know that you can't pay it, you have problems with it, you need to call each one of them and figure it all out. Now, I'm going to give you information on the car payment, lease payments, and those different things in the next episodes. But you got to figure out what you have to do with these payments because a lot of most payments are reporting to your credit report. So if you just stop paying it, you're going to ruin your credit. And it's going to set you so many years behind. So I don't want you guys to go that route. But first, let's talk about these car payments because that was my biggest thing. And I know a lot of people struggle with that. So let's talk about that in episode 76. I'll see you all there.